Best Aquarium Filter Sponge Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular aquarium filter sponges in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval, and we'll share with you some of the features of what makes this filter sponge so popular. Also, in this video, you get to see a quick demo clip of how easy it is to customize this filter sponge according to your needs, depending on the size of your aquarium and the size of your filter. The one that made our list is the Hi Panda Aquarium Bio Sponge. Now there are a lot of different sizes you can choose from, and they come in varying thicknesses too. This filter is tough and durable and can last a long time. The sponge filter provides both mechanical and biological filtration and easily traps large bits of waste and does not get clogged easily. You can cut it to fit different sized filters and is perfect for any aquarium or pond filter. The filter itself is aquatic pet safe and there are no dyes in it, and is suitable for both freshwater and marine aquariums. The best part is, it can be used again and again as long as you clean it regularly. To check out the full specs of the Hi Panda Aquarium Bio Sponge and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/filtersponge. Here's a quick demo clip of how easy it is to use this filter sponge. So there you have it, the Hi Panda Aquarium Bio Sponge. Considering its ease of use, the excellent quality of the filtration system, and how easily it adapts to all the different kinds of filters, this Bio Sponge filter is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Hi Panda Aquarium Bio Sponge and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/filtersponge. Alright, thank you for watching.